So I will not say this is a custom. It's just a little test here. Just put the face of Tomy or Trackmaster 1 model, face to Trackmaster 2 body, to see how it looks, and it's not perfect. And I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So if this one works, that means I could customize a lot of these Trackmaster 2 models as, let's say, Timothy, the Ghost Engine, LBS C70, Green Thomas, and so on. But with this face, because I don't like the other face, I mean, it's too, I don't know how can I explain this, but I don't like it. I don't like this face. One of the reasons I try to avoid to make customs on Trackmaster 2, it's because they don't look really good, you know. They are really, I'm gonna say this, how can I explain this? They are not really good, actually. I don't like them. There's not enough details, and it's just the company just want to make money, you know, out of because the merchandise they made, it's, to be honest, it's not really good as, you know, the previous models. So it's nice. I mean, it's just a little test. Let me know what do you guys think about this face, because I'm planning to do a Timothy the Ghost Engine with this face on Trackmaster 2 to see how it looks. But because this face right here definitely doesn't work for a Timothy the Ghost Engine. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't match. If you have in your memory, or if you compare with the Timothy the Ghost Engine, definitely this face doesn't work, and this one does pretty good. So let me know in the comments, guys, and I'll see if I can do a custom maybe next week. Okay, thanks, bye.